I think there's still a couple of really big pieces missing from what I would call AGI. One is long-term kind of reasoning and planning, and another is maybe what you would call sort of true creativity, not just iterating on a known idea or remixing of existing things, but actually coming up with a leap into the novel and new.
Today we have tools like Gemini Omni, VO, Genie, and they're becoming more and more creative assistants.
Well, I think the thing that was been most successful for us over the last year was Nano Banana, which was our state-of-the-art image editing tool. It produced great images, but then if you didn't like some part of the image, then you could just describe in natural language, naturally, like what bit you wanted changing, without it re-outputting the whole image. Also, our more recent Omni model, which is it's called Omni because it can take any type of modality input, whether it's sound or video or text, and then it will eventually be able to put any sort of output. The reason that things like Nano Banana and Omni are good at doing that is because underlying them, they also have an understanding of language, and they're kind of like world models where they have a bit of world understanding. AI is kind of powering almost everything now across the company, so we sometimes call what we're doing at Google DeepMind as like the engine room of Google. When we have a new model, kind of a new engine, immediately shipping that and upgrading all the feature surfaces in the products. And you see that in search, which is stronger than ever with things like AI mode, which I love using, and AI overviews. That's all sort of Gemini under the hood, powering all of those things. Over the medium term, sort of medium long term, like over the next 10 years, 10, 15 years, I think it's still underappreciated how much transformation AI is going to bring.